What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got monetized on YouTube and how much money I made during my first month of being monetized. So how did I get monetized and how long did it take for me to reach that monetization goal? Well, I started my channel around 5 years ago and I made kind of cringy content like hydro dipping Yeezys, building a box fort. It was a really fun time making those videos, so I kept on making them. And a couple of them blew up to like 10K and 2K. I ended up gaining 1,000 subscribers. I made the biggest mistake of my life and stopped posting for around 3 years. But before we go more in depth on how I got monetized, I want to make sure you guys know what monetization is and what you really need to reach that goal. It's where a creator or influencer reaches 1,000 subscribers on their channel and 4,000 watch time hours. That is the minimum requirement of what you have to reach before you're able to get monetized. For me, I reached 1,000 subscribers before I reached the 4,000 watch time hours, but it's usually flopped. 1,000 subscribers is usually harder to get than 4,000 watch time hours, but I was lucky enough to gain the 1,000 subscribers for the 4,000 watch time hours. I picked YouTube back up about a year ago and I already had that 1,000 subscribers, so I'm already 50% of the way there to getting monetized. All I needed to reach is that 4,000 watch time hours. Posted a couple videos and they didn't really do much. I got maybe 200 to 500 views, which is still really good. But those videos weren't going to help me reach that 4,000 watch time hours. So I did some research and I looked up what the most viral video was and what was the most trending video of that year. And I found transforming your gaming setup or transforming your room really trending in that time period. So I cooked up a video and I got 103,000 views on that video. If we take a look here, these are my analytics. So over here is when I started posting a lot of my videos, but this was before I stopped posting for like 3 years. This is my lifetime analytics. So I started my channel in May 30th, 2019, but I started posting in March, April of 2020. This is where I got most of my subscribers. Like to this day, I got 53 alone. I got 1,000 subscribers in just this time period right here. So that's already 50% of the way there of getting monetized. Right here, I took a very long break from January 10th of 2021 all the way till June 18th of 2024. So I took a really long break, about 3 years. And as you guys can see right here, these are my watch time hours. So I didn't really get that many when I started posting over here in this time period, but when I started posting again in like March, April, this time period, I got all my watch time hours from this time period over here. So as you guys see right here, this is the video that got me monetized. 105,000 views on it. Just this video alone has 5,000 watch time hours, which to be monetized you only need 4,000. So just this video alone got me monetized. Also gained 525 subscribers, which is really nice, and just for this video alone I made 175 bucks. First 2 months of this video I was not monetized. As you guys can see right here, the first 49 days, see this, like it's flat, I didn't make any money from it, and it's probably, yeah, that's like 50, it's like 60,000 views that I didn't get paid for because I wasn't monetized yet. So I wasn't monetized until about halfway through this video, and that's when I started making money. So I could have made another maybe $175 off of this video, but since I wasn't monetized yet, I only made half of the profit. This video had 1.3 million impressions on it, so that's really good. So that means I have a really good thumbnail, really good title, really good tags. So that's why I got 105,000 views. I looked up that trending video. This is what was really trending during that time, transforming my messy gaming setup into my dream gaming setup. I literally just duplicated another video, made it into my own art, and then posted it, and it went viral because I looked up what was trending. So as you guys can see here, 175 bucks. This is how much they pay me for every 1,000 views, $11, which is a really good CPM. Most is like $1. So I'm really lucky to have this. My channel is more financial stuff, but since this was a trending video, I tried to make this pop. This is my 28 days right here. I haven't really been posting a lot because I've been focusing on my clothing brand. You can still see I made $23 this month, which I mean isn't really bad. It's like $1 a day. So this is how much money I've made so far off of my YouTube channel. As you guys can see, I got monetized off of one video alone. And I haven't really been putting 100% energy into YouTube or 100% focus into it because I've been focusing all my energy on my clothing brand that I've started. Check it out. You can go to my Instagram, keepcozy.lifestyle. So to wrap up the video, I basically got monetized off of one video. And now I'm making an extra $100 a month for just posting a couple videos a month. So again, if you guys are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I say you go for it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down below so you guys can get notified on when my next video is going to upload. And like always, have a blessed day. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Peace out.